Hi, I'm Vanelli, product evangelist for Skylum Software, and I'd like to show you how to use the Portrait Bokeh AI tool. Now, look how an aperture of 2.8 with an 85mm lens produced this beautiful blur with geometric shapes. This is known as bokeh and typically requires an expensive lens. Well, that's up until now. Let's see how the Portrait Bokeh AI tool can simulate a similar effect. To produce the geometric shapes, we need a background with trees or lights. Click the Edit tab and select the Portrait Bokeh AI tool. Increase the amount slider to create an additional mask that separates the subject from the background. Notice we're starting to see some blur. Now let's zoom in and refine the mask slightly. Now I'll use defocus to remove part of the mask. I lower the opacity and use the sharper edge brush to help it blend in better. Now, let's adjust the depth correction slider to effectively move the blur either closer or further away from the camera. Look at those geometric shapes. Now, by adjusting the background with a negative value, it'll make the background darker. This helps the subject stand out. This looks great. Now, let's compare the original image to our edited image. Look at the beautiful geometric shapes and how it helps draw attention to the subject. Now let's finish the set off and see how the other tools complement Portrait Bokeh AI. Now Accent AI enhances color, detail, tone, and depth of an image. And using the light tool, I like to enrich the black tones just a little bit more. Since this is a portrait, let's explore a few of the portrait tools. Under face, let's enhance the eyes. And under skin, let's just smooth it just a little bit. So, in a short time, we were able to use Portrait Bokeh AI to simulate beautiful bokeh with geometric shapes. Now visit Skylum.com for more educational videos. I'm Vanelli with Skylum Software. Thanks for watching.